Hey guys, I'm your tech consultant and you are watching Prince. You are watching my official YouTube channel. So we were working blur and sharpen tool, and I told you that how the smudge tool works. Today we will study about the smudge tool. So to tell you how a smudge tool works, I will draw two strokes using brush tool. So here is brush, and we will select a hard brush, and we will select some color like this one. For showing you my tool, I will draw the two strokes using this hard brush, and second we will use the different color, like let me use this green color. Let's reduce opacity a little bit. So you can see the area where these two brushes meets will have a certain type of sharp edges, and you can see here the edges are very sharp. So we can just rectify these by using sharpen tool. The smudge tool. So for using smudge tool, we will select brush. We will use any sort of brush. We can use soft brush or hard brush, but I am using soft brush here. I will reduce the size of this brush, and then I will apply it. I will decrease the brush size, and we can reduce the strength a little bit. Then we will apply it. You can see this blurriness will be reduced this by this smudge tool. So you can see now the area between these two has become less sharp. So smudge tool is used to reduce the sharpness between the two different colored objects. So you can use this smudge tool, and you will try about this, and you will make this more perfect. So this was about the smudge tool. In the next tool we will learn about something new about the Adobe Photoshop.